The name of this item is the heat food warmer. This lamp helps to maintain the proper serving temperature of hot food items. It does not cook raw food or reheat prepared food. So be aware that electrical shock, fire, and burn injuries can occur if this lamp is not used properly. Plug it into a 3-hole grounded electrical outlet. As you can see here, it's plugged in into a three-pronged outlet. And also make sure that the lamp is on a flat surface like this counter here, and unplug the lamp when it's not in use. And to use this heat food warmer, place a heat-proof container of food under the heat lamp, and to prevent spills, do not overfill the food container. To clean it, let it cool completely, and wipe the entire unit with a clean, damp cloth. Do not use abrasive materials to clean it, and if soap or chemical cleansers are used, wipe them away with a damp cloth. Chemical residue could damage the heat lamp, and if you're using chemicals to clean it, don't put food under it immediately because some of that residue could get into the food, which is a safety hazard. And also, if you come under here, you want to make sure that there's always plastic coating covering the bulb, and if there's not, talk to Ms. Anderson about replacing it. And then to turn on the lamp, there's a little switch in the back that you just turn it to the on position and the light comes on, and then you put the food underneath it. This is called a microwave oven, and microwaves are used to heat and reheat different food items and can be also used to melt foods like chocolate. So to use this, you're going to press power level, and then you're going to put in the minutes that you want to microwave for. So I'm just going to put this in for 1 minute, and then you're going to press start. To clean the microwave, you can use spick and span on the outside, and that's the person's job from small appliances. And to clean the inside, use soap and water and like a cloth, because if you get spick and span inside the microwave and then it ends up getting into the food, that's a safety hazard. So these tortillas just came out of the microwave, and you can see that they were once frozen, but now they're nice and soft. So that's what the microwave can be used for, and it's also one of the safest ways to thaw food if you're going to cook it immediately after. So when you're microwaving foods, just keep in mind that frozen or refrigerated foods will require longer heating times than room temperature foods, and then foods high in sugar, salts, and fats and moisture content can be heated faster because these properties attract the energy from the microwave. And then just keep in mind that the greater the mass of food, the longer it takes to heat. And then do not heat foods in a sealed container or bag because it's possible that they'll explode. And then avoid metal because it kind of bounces the microwave. So it's always good to just heat glass in the microwave. And then heated liquids can erupt if they're not mixed well throughout the heating process. This is called an ice machine, and inside of it you have lots of ice that can be used to make drinks cold. And especially if you're doing staff lunch, you're going to be using this ice machine a lot to fill cups with ice. And this is called an ice scoop, and you should never, if you're filling like a glass cup with ice, never stick the cup in there because it's possible that some like shards of glass can get in with it, which is very dangerous. So you always use the ice scooper to fill the cups. And then when you're done, if you can see right here, there's a little like place to put the scooper when you're done, so just set it in there. And then to clean this, there's a little like white part here, and Mrs. Anderson has some Clorox wipes that you can just rub that down with. And then for the outside of this machine, just use spick and span and just spray the spick and span. This is called a microwave oven. Microwaves are used to This is called a microwave oven. Microwaves are used to heat and reheat different food items. They can also be used to reheat different foods. To melt. This is called a microwave oven, and microwaves are used to heat and reheat different food items, and they can also be used to melt different foods. So to use it, you're just going to press power level. Oh, that's not how this is going.